Welcome, today in front of me OnePlus Nord CE Lite, and I'll show you all the box accessories what watch our device comes. So let's first open the box here, and here we can find the USB Type-C cable, the charger brick, the original one. What's going on? What all of the specs here. So the next thing, this is the protective case, the silicone protective case, in just the clear one in my case. And here we can find also the just SIM jack tool and some paperwork like the safety guide, quick start guide, warranty card. So that's it. There are all of the box accessories with which our device comes. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.